This is number 5, and it says a 3-year bond with face value of 100 pays annual coupon of 9%. If the yield maturity is 11%, what is the price of the bond?
Okay, so the price of a bond equals the present value,
Or PV.
present value, PV, present value of the future cash flows discounted, this is very important, discounted by the YTM, yield to maturity.
Okay, so that 11% is going to be on the bottom.
That's exactly right. Okay, all right. Okay, so in our case, all right, so we've got, okay, so we got N, which is going to be the number of periods,
Okay,
equals 3, because it's a 3-year bond.
okay,
Okay, pays the bond, the face value equals 100 pounds,
okay.
right?
Yep.
Okay, it pays an annual coupon.
Of 9%.
Now, okay, in this case here, whether it's an annual or semi-annual is very important.
Oh, because
Because if it were semi-annual, you'd be using N as 6, because it would be 6 payments.
Okay.
But it says annual, so it's only 3 payments.
Or could you keep it at 3 and divide the rate by half?
No, you wouldn't do that. No,
Okay,
no.
so
It makes a
okay.
big difference, okay?
Okay.
All right, so, and the YTM equals 11%.
Okay.
Okay, so we've got, so what we're gonna do then, we got the cash flows from this bond.
Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna draw a timeline to get the cash flows. Okay, the cash flows from this bond, we've got,
This is P and FE
okay,
from PDAP.
we're doing the cash flows, okay? Okay, so the yield, so we've got, okay, an annual coupon, let me see here, it was 9%, so we're gonna get, so what is the, how much is the payment per year?
The payment's going to be $9 per year.
$9, okay, so we get period 0, 1, 2, 3.
And this is FE, that's P.
What do you mean FD? This is going to be the current
value.
price of the bond. Yeah, and that's the
Present
future
value.
value, right?
Okay.
Okay, so the first payment is 9. Another payment of 9, and at the end of year 3, we get a payment of 9 plus we get $100 back.
That's the future value.
That's the future value of the bond, right?
Okay.
So what we're going to do then is we're going to compute the present value of each one of these things.
Okay.
Okay, so you can,
So this would be divided by 11 and 1,
well, it's 11% is
Okay.
the rate we're going to use.
but it's one
So,
period.
so the PV, so we'll call this, so the PVs we've got are equal to, okay, and we did these the other day, but you're going to divide this by 1.11, right?
Yeah.
So let me get my calculator. But you should be able to do it on your thing. Let's not waste time today, but you should be able to do that on your,
Okay.
you should have a present value thing in that machine.
We'll figure it out.
Because it's not going to be so easy as this one, perhaps.
So this would just be 9 over 1.1 because it's 1.
1.11.
1.11. And then
Right.
this guy would be 9 over 1.21 because it's
No,
2 periods.
1.11 squared.
Oh, okay.
All right, so let's do the first one. 9 divided by
Square
1.11
9
equals 8 let's see what we had the other day. Here we
This is
have.
what we did. 9
So the
divided
first
by
one
1.1.
is going to be,
Squared.
so the first one are equal to, so the period 1,
Okay.
this is period, and this is present value. So period 1, the present value is going to be 9 divided by 1.11 equal to
8.108.
8.11, let's say.
Okay.
Okay?
8.11.
In period 2, it's going to be 9 divided by 1.11 squared.
That is 7.30.
Right? Perfect.
Okay.
In period 3, there's going to be 2 of them. The first one is going to be 9 divided by 1.11 cubed.
Why would cubed
3
is times
periods.
3.
3 periods, yeah.
Okay. That is 6.58.
Right? And then we have another one at that time, which is 100, because we have 2 cash flows at that point, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to have 9, we're going to have 100 divided by 1.11 cubed equals.
So the same as we did for the third period, because it's still third period.
Right.
So 9 over, or I'm sorry, 100.
100 over 1.11 cubed.
1.11 cubed.
Gives us
Okay, so 100 divided by 1.11 to the third, 73.119.
73.12. Let's say, okay.
This is awesome. This isn't difficult. And then you just add them up.
Now we're going to add those up, right?
So you have 8.11 plus 7.30 plus 6.58 plus 73.12. 95.11. Okay. And the answer is D, 95.
Right.
Yeah.
95.
Wow. So why is it not 100 at the end of 3 years? It's actually
No, it's not the end of 3 years. The price of the bond today, is 95.11.
Wow.
And you're going to get 100 for it when you sell it plus the dividend.
Okay, perfect.
Okay.